Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I hope you're all doing well by His grace. This is Just Lady here. Today is a video of air condition cable installation. So this is to install the cables, the wiring, the coppers, and whatever it is that is needed for the actual units later on. So the total air conditioned units that we intend to have is 15 in total. And the cost of this cable installation, cost us 19,630 Ghana cedis. So it will be 15 units in total. There will be 8 units in the rental side of the property, which will be 4 units in the 2-bedroom apartment upstairs, 4 units in the 2-bedroom apartment downstairs, and then several units will be on our side of the apartment, which is 4 bedrooms in total. So yeah, that is the total cost, 19,630 Ghana cedis. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next video by God's grace. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye now.
Ada small.
Video na kelly.
Me video. This side me.
I said we can.